Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sansasha. Today we will see how to crochet this Tunisian leaf. I have already placed a video for this long leaf. Link is already there in description. So today we will see just how to crochet this leaf. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here goes the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Once we are done with our chain crochet stitches, we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So we get a small tiny bit circle, a small gap in between. See, we get this small gap, see, small gap, but a needle can easily pass through it. Okay, so now we will make 10 single crochet stitches, and each stitch we will make by passing a needle from inside of that circle. See, I will insert my needle from inside of that circle, grab the yarn and pull it through the circle. Okay, then I will complete my single crochet stitch. Okay, again insert my needle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete my single crochet stitch. Same way I'll be making 10 single crochet stitches. Okay, 10. Don't take this thread, that slip knot thread, which is, please don't take that in the stitches. We need it to pull. At last we will pull it, so like the circle we are getting in between, that gap gets closed up. Okay, I'll just complete this 10 single crochet stitches and I'll show you. See, I'm done with the 10 single crochet stitches. Okay, now to complete the round, I'll join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Here goes the slip stitch. See, my round is complete. Now see, that middle gap is quite bigger. Now we will just pull this thread and see, it is reduced now. Okay, now comes the main work. Now first we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now see, we are having one loop on the needle now. Okay, another loop we will take from next stitch. We will just insert a needle and grab the yarn, then yarn over and pull through from only first loop. Now see, we have 2 loops on the needle. Okay, now yarn over and pull through. Now we will have 3 loops on the needle. First we will make a chain crochet stitch, and now see that thread. Can you see this front thread? We need to take a loop from here. We need to insert a needle from that thread, and we need to make a loop on the needle. See, I'm inserting my needle from there, grabbing the yarn, pulling through. Okay, and next stitch, again inserting needle, grabbing the yarn and pulling through. See, now I have 3 loops on the needle. Okay, then yarn over and pull through, first time only from one loop, and then two loops till we reach end. See, and at the end make a chain crochet stitch. Now see, again, now we had 3 loops, now we will be having 4 loops. A one loop go on increasing. Now see, one loop is on the needle. I will make a loop from that first thread. Now the second one, 3 loops are there, and for fourth loop, that next stitch, from there I will make a loop. Now 4 loops are there. See, one loop has increased. Now yarn over and pull through from only first loop. After that, 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through from 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through from 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull through from 2 loops. Now by end, make a chain crochet stitch. Now we will have 5 loops. Are you getting how we are getting one loop is adding on the needle? 4, and for fifth, next stitch. Now yarn over, pull through from first loop. After that, yarn over, pull through from two loops. Now we have reached the end. Make a chain crochet stitch. Okay. Now we will have 6 loops. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 from the next stitch. So like we have to do this till we have 9 loops on a needle. Yarn over, pull through from first loop, then go on yarn over, pull through from two loops. Okay, at end make a chain crochet stitch. Now this line we will have 7 loops. Same technique we are following. Each time our loops on the needle are getting increased, and it has already started taking a leaf shape. Now 8 loops. Now comes 9 loops. Now this will be a last line. Done. And now at last we will take a chain crochet stitch. We will make a chain crochet stitch. Now see, from where we were taking loops, now we will make one slip stitch in each of those threads, front threads. See, same threads, but we will be making one slip stitch for this complete side. See, from where we were making loops, so instead of loops now we will make slip stitch. Now this is the last one. Okay, now after this we will make slip stitch in the stitches. It's a down part, there are 3 stitches, so it's like we will make slip stitch for 3 stitches. 1, then 2 and 3. Okay, now for this side we will make slip stitch in gaps. Okay, see, we are having a gap and we will skip that next stitch, so only in gaps we are making those slip stitch. Okay, make a slip stitch in a gap and skip the next stitch, make a slip stitch in a gap and skip the next stitch. I'll just show you. See, I'll skip the next stitch and in the gap again I'll make a slip stitch. So this I have to do till the end of the side. Now see, for the top stitch, only one stitch is there in the top. Okay, there we will make front post half double crochet stitch, only one. See, front post half double crochet stitch. Okay, after that we will make a chain stitch. That's it, it's done. Our leaf is ready and we are getting that curve in the top. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sansasha YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.